Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
A delegation of Seng Khasi leaders of Tyrsad, along with the members of the Dorbar Shnong Kyrphei, under the leadership of the former MLA of Mawphlang, C Khyriem, had met Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong, who is also the Minister in charge of PWD Department, at the Secretariat on the 23rd of August 2022 to request him for the repair of the road from Mawphlang to Balat. Speaking to newspersons after the meeting, C Khyriem, who was also accompanied by the MDC of Mawphlang, Balat, informed that the meeting of the Seng Khasi leaders of the area, which had to be postponed for the past 2 years due to the pandemic, will once again be held from the 14th to the 16th of April 2023 at Kyrphei village.
Okay, the meeting that we met the Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong today is regarding the Seng Khyriem of the Seng Khasi Senrai, scheduled in 2021. But because of the coronavirus, they couldn't hold the program in 2021 and they shifted to 2023. And the Limpung Seng Khyriem, the gathering, social gathering and religious gathering of the Seng Khasi Senrai will be held in the 14, 15 and 16 of April 2023. So we came today, the Dorbar Shnong, along with the Seng Khyriem, Seng Khasi of Circle Tyrsad, to meet the Deputy Chief Minister to request him for the road construction and many facilities and infrastructure in Kyrphei, the scheduled venue to hold the Limpung of the Seng Khyriem. Just that.
So how bad is the road and infrastructure and other facilities that you have to meet the Deputy CEO?
Actually, the road, the MU road we call it, the Mawphlang Balat road is too bad from Maungap to Tyrsad, Lingyong and then up to Wailoi. So we request him to repair that road also. And he talked with his officers before, and I think in due course they will repair that one.